Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss the topic respiratory system and accessory structure. So first, what is respiratory system? Respiratory system is a biological system that involves various organs that take in oxygen and expel carbon dioxide. Oxygen that breathe in are used for metabolic reaction that release energy and produce ATP. ATP produced can provide energy for protein synthesis in our body, cell division which is mitosis and meiosis, and many other biosynthetic reactions in our body. At the same time, this reaction also release carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide could produce acidity that can be toxic to cells. Excess carbon dioxide must be eliminated quickly and efficiently. So, what do we usually think about respiratory system? We usually think that it is a mechanism of breathing which pulling air into and out of our bodies. However, the requirements for an effective respiratory system go beyond merely moving air. So now let's talk about the functions of respiratory system. It providing an extensive surface area for gas exchange between air and circulating blood. The oxygen that breathes into our lungs passes through the thin layer of alveoli, which is air sacs that make up the lungs, to the blood capillaries and carry away oxygen to cells or tissues that needed. Then, carbon dioxide in cells or tissues will diffuse across the blood capillaries and bring back to the lungs and expel out. This case shows that the respiratory system and cardiovascular system are cooperate to supply oxygen to cells and eliminate carbon dioxide. Next, moving air to and from the exchange surface of the lungs along the respiratory passageways. These are major functions of respiratory system. Next, there are some minor functions of respiratory system which are least important but still related to respiratory system. First, protecting respiratory surface from dehydration, temperature changes, or other environmental variations, and defending the respiratory system and other tissues from invasion by pathogens. Secondly, producing sound involved in speaking, singing, and other forms of communication. Next, facilitating the detection of olfactory stimuli by olfactory receptors in the superior portions of nasal cavity. During respiration process, there are 4 distinct processes must happen. First is ventilation process. It is a gases exchange between lungs and the atmosphere. Secondly, external respiration is a gases exchange between lungs and blood. Next, transport oxygen and carbon dioxide in the circulation. Lastly, gases exchange between systemic blood vessels and tissues which we call internal respiration. When we talk about respiratory system, we usually think about lungs. For example, when we say about endocrine system, we think about hormone. When we say skeletal system, we think about bone. When we say urinary system, we think about kidney, and so on. So now we are going to talk about the mechanism related to this respiratory system. The mechanism related to this respiratory system is mechanism of ventilation. It's a breathing process occurs in 2 stages, which is inspiration and expiration. Inspiration is the process in which the air is inhaled into the lungs, and expiration is the process in which the air is exhaled from the lungs. So, the details of the mechanism of ventilation we discuss in the next part of the video. At the next part of the video, I hope you all will enjoy with it and have fun during study the respiratory system.
겨울이 가고 봄이 찾아오죠. 우린 시들고 그리움 속에 맘이 멍들었죠. I'm singing my blues. 파란 눈물에 파란 다른 슬픔에 깃들여 blues 뜬구름을 날려보낸 사랑 같은 하늘 다른 곳 너와 나 위험하니까 너에게서 떠나주는 거야 내밀한 글자에 저만 나 비겁하지만 내가 못 나서는 거야 잔인한 이별은 사랑의 말로 그 어떤 말도 위로될 순 없다고 아마 내 인생의 마지막 멜로 막이 내려오네요 이제 태어나서 널 만나고 죽을 만큼 사랑하고 파랗게 물들어 시린 내 맘 눈을 감아도 널 느낄 수 없잖아 겨울이 가고 봄이 찾아오죠 우린 시들고 그림 속에 맘이 멈들었죠 I'm singing like blues 파란 눈물에 파란 슬픔에 깃들여 blues 뜬구름을 날려보낸 사랑 심장이 멎은 것만 같아 전쟁이 끝났고 그곳에 얼어붙은 너와 나 내 머릿속 새겨진 트라우마 이 눈물 마르면 촉촉히 기억하리 내 사랑
I got this feeling on the summer day when you were gone. I crashed my car into the bridge. I watched, I let it burn. I threw your shit into a bag and pushed it down the stairs. I crashed my car into the bridge. I don't care. I love it. I don't care. I got this feeling on the summer day when you were gone. I crashed my car into the bridge. I watched, I let it burn. I threw your shit into a bag and pushed it down the stairs. I crashed my car into the bridge. I don't care. I love it. I don't care. You're on a different road. I'm in the Milky Way. You want me down on Earth, but I am up in space. You're so damn hard to please. We gotta kill this switch. You're from the 70s, but I'm a 90s baby.